In this quick video guide, I want to show you where you can download free 3D models, free materials, textures that you can use in your 3D modeling software or 3D painting, in this case, which is Armorpaint. So I'm going to show you a couple of different models. So this is a character design model, and you can use this, for example, for fashion design, character design. You can use for a lot of reasons. And you can use Armorpaint, of course, which is open source as well. So the model is free and the software here is open source. So everything is free. You can just begin to play around with these tools here. So I'm going to show you where you get this model. And also I want to show you how to use some models in Blender. Now I have imported here a couple of models, which is for architecture and interior design. This house, pretty simple house 3D model, and also a car model here, this truck here, just to show you that you can work in substantially any field, like architecture, interior design, industrial design, automotive design, character design, entertainment, TV, and whatever. So Blender also, it's a totally free 3D application that you can download and use to also do this exercise with us here in this video. So if you don't know how to download Armorpaint or Blender, download and install, you can get in our YouTube channel a search for example, Blender install, and you're gonna find a video guide about downloading and installing Blender and also Armorpaint as well. And for Armorpaint, we are publishing a complete video course on how to use it and how to work with Armorpaint. So if you want to check the full video courses, go to playlists and get here in English video courses. You will find a lot of video courses about 3D design and modeling. Okay, now let's get into action. This is the website that I want to show you. It's called RenderHub.com. And if you search for free RenderHub models, you're gonna get directly into the free 3D models page. So you can click here in this results, and you can see here they have many free 3D models. They have characters, they have like fiction characters, and this is the one that I downloaded, by the way, so I can open this into another page and show you that later. So you can investigate here, explore all the models, the character design. This is another house here that perhaps we can download, and we have trees, we have, you know, everything. We have a lot of stuff here. Now, most of these are made with DADS Studio, which is another software, but also we have other types of format like OBJ and FBX. We have models for Blender, Cinema 4D, 3ds Max. So it depends which model or which scene you are going to download. It's gonna have a particular format and a particular availability on different formats so that you can use it in one 3D modeling tools or the other. Now 3D Studio Max also is pretty common. We're talking about architecture and industrial design, interior design. Cinema 4D is more for entertainment and animation, and Fusion 360 also and AutoCAD are DWG files, which are more technical. Again, you will find most of these courses here in the English video courses in the playlist page, like AutoCAD or Armorpaint on 3ds Max or Cinema 4D, and we're gonna publish more. Also, please subscribe to the channel and support us with the community page here and also with the store, so we can publish more videos and more courses. Okay, let's get back to this search, and well, that's basically it. So this is now you can choose which models you want to download and try. So in our case, we selected a couple. And also another thing you need to do is to create an account. So if you don't create an account, you're going to see here like login. Well, let me log out for you, just a second. Okay, so the first time you use this website, you're gonna see login and join. So you click on join, fill your information here. They just need generic information and an email and a password. That's it. That's all you need to do to get your free models. So I think it's worth it. So you can log in then with your username and password, and then you can download anything free. Now, other things you can do in RenderHub before getting into the download, you can check here. They have a lot of 3D models. They have also 3D textures. They have skin textures. They have HDR images, which are good for image-based lighting techniques and environment lighting. So this is a topic that it's often explained into many video courses about illuminating an entire scene with just a simple image. And also they have categories here. So if you're looking for something specific, you can go into one particular category. You can see that most of the the best models here are not for free. You have to pay a little bit. Now for the best models, you need to pay about $100, but many they are more economic, they are low cost. So just search for it and you're gonna find good sales here. There is also 3D for sale. You can find other stuff for sale. They have a gallery, a forum, also a learning page. So take your time and explore everything here. They have a lot of stuff, a lot of interesting stuff. Okay, also another important thing about RenderHub is that you can become also a publisher. So you can be a buyer, but you can be a publisher as well. You can sell your own 3D objects and 3D scenes. So if you want to do that, you can just subscribe there and you can start to upload your 3D stuff. Okay, also we have a lot of DAZ content here and DAZ content on sale. So DAZ, again, it's 3D software. So if you search for DAZ 3D, you can see there is software for 3D modeling, and basically I think it's most used for creating characters design and like fashion design, clothing design, and things like that. Okay, now let's get into the stuff that we want to download. I have selected this one here. You already saw that in Armorpaint, so I already downloaded. And let me download this house. So I click on download, and there we go. It's gonna bring it in my download space here, in my downloads area. Also, I want to get this beautiful car here. And always please check the author. So let me get back just to show you here. Now, when you want to explore a model, you can see here on the right side the date of publishing, and the download size also is pretty important, because be careful, some scenes are like 1 or 2 gigabytes, so they're very, very big. And in other cases like this, they're really small, so you can download it pretty fast. Also check the number of polygons. This is important, because the more polygons you have, the more will be heavy to download and to handle by your 3D software and also by your graphic card. And also check if they have textures, if they have materials, if they are mapped, rigged, animated, and so on. Now, if I check this other one here, you can see also the formats are important. This is done also with ZBrush, ZTL file, STL, which is for printing, OBJ, which is kind of a universal format that you can use anywhere. Now, this is the author here, so you can check also the other works about the author. You can see it's selling also some of these 3D models that I think they are 3D printing ready, so you can download it and print it if you have a printing machine or with a printing service. Okay, now enough with the talking. Let's get into the Blender. So now this is Blender here, and basically when you finish to download, well, actually I didn't show you the download part. You can see this one here is 3 gigabytes, so it's pretty heavy. And sometimes you will not download the 3D models, but you will only find poses. So these are not models, but this can be used to pose your characters into a particular software. And sometimes you find the object itself. So to download it, just click in the, sorry, I want to show you here. So if I click first, you need to download here, and then you click to download, to click on this link to download there. There you go. So click, and all you need to do then is just wait for the package here to be downloaded. Once it's finished, you will find it in the download folder, or you can open it also from here, and you find all the different files inside. So in this case, you can use OBJ. If you want to use Blender, you can use FBX. If you use 3D Studio Max, you can use 3ds. If you use Cinema 4D, Cinema 4D. Well, actually here we have a Blender file directly, so I don't need to import. I just need to open up this file, and it's gonna look similar to this other house here that I have already downloaded and open it. So if it is a Blender file, you can just open it with Blender. Otherwise, you have to go to import, and you can import FBX, STL, OBJ. So let's, for example, import OBJ, and I want to get my Super Saiyan Goku OBJ here. So I imported. Just have to wait for a few seconds for the model to be imported, and it's gonna appear right here on the right. So Blender, it's pretty easy, but you need some time to learn it, and in the future we will publish a video course in Blender. Okay, it took some time actually, but there it is. So it depends on how it's heavy. Now I can click and drag this on the top of the roof here, and I can rotate it and move it and place it. Also scale it a little bit, probably because it's too big. Be careful where you scale it, otherwise it's gonna look strange. So you need to don't select any of these axes here when you are scaling. Okay, there we have our Goku character there, like floating into space above our house. Okay, now this is how you can use Blender. You can open up, you can import, and then you can build your scene. Whatever scene it is, it's for a movie, for a video game, whatever, and then you can continue with other software, depends what you need to do. And please write your also questions about what you need to do whatever, and also your suggestions perhaps, okay, in the comments. So subscribe and leave comments. And let's check the Armorpaint. Okay, now we'll show you from the beginning here. Let me make a new project, which is going to be the standard cube of Armorpaint. Armorpaint is open source if you install it, and it's a pretty complex procedure. Otherwise, you need to pay really low cost money to use it. Okay, now I am in Armorpaint. I just need to drag and drop this model. So I will just get it from my folder here, and I will drag and drop this inside and say import, and that's all I need to do. Now many times when you use this 3D software or similar, you can just drag and drop your model, and there it is. Now I can just start to paint on that model right away. And Armorpaint is a painting software, but if you want to sculpt and paint all together, I suggest you another software which is called Madbox, and you can find it. You can find a video course in our channel. So if you search for Madbox jbdtube, you can see we have a video course, and search in English, of course. So just type video course, and there you go. You have this kind of a middle lesson right here to sculpt, and later also to paint. So I think that's all for this video. So again, if you have some comments, please leave it below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next guide.